Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly interested in Chirufatso Mabasa. This is according to Lawrence Kohler. Chirufatso Mabasa has just left Orlando Pirates. He's a free agent. So surprise, surprise, Kaizer Chiefs are interested in a free agent. That's rare. That really happens. But yeah, Chirufatso Mabasa, famously known for scoring goals. He's an experienced player. Has won the Golden Boot. He ticks a lot of boxes. January, there were some links. I made a video. I said, nah, I don't think so. I don't think we should sign Chirufatso Mabasa. But I've had time to reflect on it. Saw him at Stellenbosch. He bagged some few goals. I don't know how Yanela Mbuchuma was playing ahead of him. Evidence Mahopa, I don't know how he was playing ahead of him, but that's the coach's preference, maybe he didn't have what Abdeslam Ouaddou wanted, but at Stellenbosch, he looked like a really, really good striker, so considering that this is a free agent, won the Golden Boot, experienced, why not? Why not? I don't know, man. At the same time, pride is killing me. My pride is saying no. We shouldn't sign yet another Orlando Pirates reject, because he's a reject. Orlando Pirates didn't want to extend his contract, just like Sipho Mbule. So both Orlando Pirates rejects. Last season we got Paseka Mako, Pirates reject. Chabiso Munyane, Pirates reject. So we shouldn't be in the business of signing Orlando Pirates rejects, man. But with a player like Mabasa, I think, why not? But I can just imagine. I can already see Orlando Pirates fans. Kaizer Chiefs is our development team. No, we are Kaizer Chiefs development team. Kaizer Chiefs is a retirement village for Orlando Pirates. Man, I don't think I'm ready for that. But now, they can fuck off, man. Give me Chirufatso Mabasa. If I have Chirufatso Mabasa, I have Flavio Silva, Wandile Duba as my 3 strikers. I think that's decent, man. That's decent. I can get 20 goals from this trio, and that would put us in a very, very good position in the league. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Smash a like. Should we go for Chirufatso Mabasa? I'm out.